What's up guys? Today I'm here for another video, right? So as you can see, that's a lock cylinder that I just bought. Okay, I just bought it from eBay because, you know, I had some. Okay, first of all, this car, okay, this car right here been sitting there for a while now. Okay, as you can see, need a lot of work, and I need to do my yard too. Yeah, that's for sure. The yard needs to be done. Okay, but anyway, if you look in here, okay, you see the lock cylinder is missing. You know why? Because I sold it to a customer. Okay, it was like a buy here pay here deal, and for some reason he said he had to leave the country because he wasn't born here. He had to leave the country to go see his mama for a while, and he wouldn't be able to make payment. So he brought the car back. Okay, but he brought the car back. The car was missing this. Okay, it's missing this, and then the car was making the noise and all that. But it's a pretty decent car, except for, you know, this is coming out. The paint is coming out. So yeah, good luck with me setting this car back again. Okay, but other than that, yeah, there's a little dents. Oh, forgot the bag too. Look, the bag need work. Okay, it worked, and you can't even see the Sonata. Oh my god. And I'm about to lose the A. Let's see if we can hide it. There you go. Boom. It stays for now. So yeah, this is the car that we're working with now, guys. So this is the car we're working with. So now we're gonna take that thing out, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put the, you know, how to put the lock cylinder in there. So I bought it off eBay, and it comes with a key. Okay, so it's working. It came with a key. Okay, so now how do we put it in there? And by the way, I forgot to let you know, guys, like this, yeah, see this car need a lot of work actually. So the reason why this thing is like that, we gave it to a mechanic, right? It was supposed to fix something on the car. I think the brake light wasn't working, so he said he bought the brakes. It was that the brake switch that was bad, so he bought one. But for some reason the guy left everything like that, so I had to take the car. So now it's a whole mess that I gotta fix. But anyway, let's go back to the video. So right now we're about to fix this. Okay, you know what? I gotta get my tools. So I gotta go behind my car. Oh my god, as you guys can see, these are like my eBay stuff. Oh my god, it's a lot of things. I gotta put them in the warehouse. Whew. So let's see if we can find like a flathead screwdriver. We gotta put that thing in, right? So let's go. Got this. All right, guys. So, and I need what's those flat screwdrivers I got? There it is. First thing first, we gonna do. Okay. What we gonna do? We gonna take this thing off. Okay, We take it off. So now this is gonna give you the access to the screw, to screw that thing. So now we're gonna put it in. We're gonna put it in there. So I don't know if you guys can see here, but there's a flat surface here. It's this supposed to turn like this. Okay. So it looks good so far. So now this is where the problem is now. Now the problem is I have to put the screw right there, and with the one that I got, it's not long enough for one, and then second, it's not long enough, and second, it doesn't have the, it does not have magnets to hold the screw. So now, what do we do if we get into a position like that? Okay, into a situation like that. What do we do? Okay, what I would do, I'm gonna take a piece of tear it up, and then we're gonna put it. I'm gonna put it in there like this, and I already lost it. It's not working. It's not working, guys. It's not working. Ah, I think I got it. Oh my God, it's about to fall. I got it, guys. I got it, but like I said, that thing was too short. So I'm trying my best with it right now to not fall. Okay. Trying my best with it right now to not fall, because if that thing fall in there, if that thing fall in there, I'm effed up. I'm fucked up, okay? If it fall in there, I'm in deep problem, because I'm not gonna find it. Okay, all right, it did not fall, so it did stay there, guys. So it did stay there. That's a good one. That's a good one. Good job. Woo! I think we did it, guys. So now let's do something. When you put the key inside, okay, it's working. Okay, it's working. Look. Now let me see. Oh shoot. You see that, guys? Now I like it. Now I don't like it, okay? So yeah, guys, this is how you put the cylinder thing, the lock cylinder, on a 2007 Hyundai Sonata. Okay, I think it's 2007 or 2006, but anyway, either one, still the same thing. Then we're gonna put that cap back in. Boom. And then that's it, guys. If your lock cylinder is messed up, all you have to do is go on eBay, go online, go on Google, and buy another one. That's what I did, and then I got it fixed. All right, as you can see, now it's fixed. Okay, now I'm good to go on that part. So now I'm gonna show you another video how to fix these things, which I'm gonna have to fix the window motor. Okay, I'm gonna show you a video how to do that. Okay, all right guys, see you guys for another video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Okay, and I'm out. Peace.